Introducing the autonomous multi-agent system, Sentinel, Geophysicist, and Reporter.
Every day, geophysicists monitor thousands of seismic events across the African continent. They manually check databases, read research papers, correlate data points, and write reports. This process takes hours, sometimes days. What if AI agents could do the heavy lifting? Imagine autonomous systems that think, act, and observe continuously while keeping humans in control where it matters most. Meet the Sentinel Agent. It continuously scans the web for the latest seismic research, news, and data, gathering real-time intelligence from multiple sources across the internet. The Geophysicist Agent thinks. It correlates live data with historical baselines, runs statistical models, detects anomalies, and classifies risk levels, all with scientific rigor. The Reporter Agent acts. It generates intelligence-grade briefings with actionable recommendations. But here's the key. It doesn't act alone. Human judgment is mandatory. Every cycle stops for human review. Accept the report? One click and it's instantly archived to Google Drive with a direct link. Reject it? The system pauses for refinement. This is AI with accountability. The result? What took 10 hours now takes 10 seconds. Scientists focus on what matters, scientific judgment and decision-making. AI handles the tedious work. Continuous monitoring, zero fatigue, perfect documentation. This isn't just about earthquakes. This framework works for climate monitoring, disease surveillance, financial intelligence, cybersecurity, any domain requiring continuous autonomous research with human accountability. Geo-Agentic AI, autonomous intelligence, human wisdom, the future of responsible AI research.